3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 12 off to a screaming start as the Red Human players toss fuel into the Red Alliance hub. No scoring on the blue, but that changes suddenly as Conspiracy loads the blue hub. That's countered by Full Metal Jackets on the Red Alliance side. And we're into teleoperated mode. Chain Reaction and Enigma are both off. We have collisions in the neutral zone as teams fight for fuel. Blue Alliance hub is active. CRyptonite lofting fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Full Metal Jackets slowly collecting fuel on the Red Alliance side, preparing for the Red Alliance shift. Full Metal Jackets unloads a volley into the Red Alliance hub. As Enigma accidentally tosses a couple of fuel over the Alliance Station wall. Full Metal Jackets continuing to shoot into the Red Alliance hub. Pastabots joins them for a few last-minute scores. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, CRyptonite and Conspiracy both loading fuel into the Blue Alliance hub as Chain Reaction scuttles around the neutral zone, trying to interfere with the Red Alliance's loading of fuel into their robots. Pastabots in their spaghetti cover are shuttling fuel over to the Red Alliance side of the field. CRyptonite and Conspiracy get some last-minute shots in. Full Metal Jackets go full bore on the Red Alliance hub. Enigma crashing into the side of the field. CRyptonite is full and transferring fuel over to the Blue Alliance side as Full Metal Jackets do not let up. As we shift over to the red side of the field, blue side of the field in the end game, CRyptonite and Conspiracy fill the Blue Alliance hub. Full Metal Jackets not letting up. They're shooting straight. Pastabots loading more fuel into the Red Alliance hub. 10 seconds remaining into the match. CRyptonite firing some last-minute shots into the blue side of the field. 3, 2, 1. We'll see it in a second here. It's the Red Alliance. Both alliances coming away with ranking. Final scoring, Red Alliance 192, Blue Alliance 157.